I'm Alayla. I am your life coach. I'm a certified life coach. I specialize in stress reduction. I try to help anyone who is willing to work on themselves to reduce your stress levels. In this section, what you're going to be learning is how to meditate. I want to teach you guys the beginning stage of meditation. Everyone meditate in their own way, and they meditate for different reasons and different purpose. The purpose of this meditation is to just get you started. It's a beginning, it's for beginners, it's for people who never meditated before in their life, or you meditated some years back and you haven't done it in so long and you want to try to do it again. This is a 10-minute meditation, so you can take any music from the background of YouTube for meditation purposes. They have lots and tons of videos as well as music that you can use to help you meditate. But for my challenge, if you're here on my page, it's because you want to take the challenge. And we're going to get started. So basically, we're just going to breathe. We're going to sit quietly. And we're going to breathe in through our nose. Hold it. And then breathe out slowly through our mouth. You're going to breathe in again, slowly through your nose. Hold it. And then breathe out slowly through your mouth. And when you breathe in, take as much air as you can inside. Hold it. And then breathe out slowly. And you're going to do this for 10 minutes, slowly